welcome to SQL problem solving series. So we have a very easy level problem for this particular video, and we'll be seeing some of the important functions into the SQL. So the problem says query the following two values from the station table. Number one is the sum of all values in the latitude, northern latitude, and round this to two decimal places. And number two is the sum of all values into the western longitude, and we need to round this off to two decimal places values. So you can see we have the station table here. We are having the two columns which are present here. So we need to output our results into this particular format. So into the first column we'll be having the latitude, and into the second column we'll be having the longitude. So let us proceed with writing our query for the same. So I'll be doing a select and sum over the all the values which are present into the northern latitude, and we need to round this off to two decimal places. And similarly we need to sum up the values for the western longitude, and also we need to round this off to two decimal places from station table. Let us hit the run code button. See, we have got the correct output. So this was a very easy level problem using the sum function and the round function also. So let's see another problem in addition to this particular problem which is mentioned here. So the problem says query the sum of the northern latitudes from station having values greater than this and this. So they have provided two values. Only those values of the northern latitude which are lying between these two values, we will be counting the sum of only those values, and we need to round off our values to four decimal places. So let us write this query for here. So first of all we'll be filtering out only those values which are lying between these two values which they have mentioned here. So we using the filter condition for where. So where latitude underscore n is greater than 38.7880 and latitude n is less than 137.2345. so I'm just writing the number which exactly they have provided here. Using this query we'll be getting all those northern latitude values which lies between these two values, but we don't want the values, we want the sum of the values. So we'll be using the sum function here to get the sum of all those values. And also we need to round off our answer to four decimal places which they have mentioned here. That's all is required, and let us hit the run code button. So you can see we have got the correct answers. In this video we learned some simple functions which are present in SQL, and so we solved these problems using those functions. So friends, do like this video if you found this video very much useful, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, to receive such kind of useful information on a daily basis. Meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.